Is it better to buy or rent a home? Hi, my name is Kevin Mitchell, your Washington Realtor with Fathom Realty. Despite what you may hear, there's no single right answer. But don't panic. I'm here to help. Start by asking yourself this question. How long do I plan to stay in the home? According to bankrate.com, you'll get the most financial benefit from a home purchase if you own the property for at least 5 years. Then, if you plan to sell in a shorter period of time. Why? Because there are costs associated with buying and selling a home, and it may take time for the property's value to rise enough to offset those expenditures. Even though housing markets can shift from one year to the next, you'll typically find that a home's value will ride out a market's ups and downs and appreciate with time. So, the longer you own the property, the more you're likely to benefit from its appreciation. Peace.